Intuitively, we know that better design is better for business because we just talked about it. The intuitive app is better for the business of that bank. But it's really hard to point exactly what part of user experience
Yes.
moved the needle for that bank. You don't know if like the components or the text or all together or the user flow, you don't know exactly a lot of times what caused the positive notion. Measuring UX writing is even more challenging. So obviously we could measure open rates, click-through rates, ads. That's more like marketing and copywriting. You could measure if you have the tools, that's difficult. But if you have the tools, you could measure like an onboarding flow and the performance of an onboarding flow. But sometimes you just can't measure. A good designer will have to look for issues in the world and will have to figure out ways to solve them. Sometimes you have the designers that creating this amazing mock with micro interactions and prototypes and so on, and then they go to the developers, and the developers like, it's all fun and it's nice, but we can't build it in the next, I don't know, sprint. It will take us 1 year to build it. So it's not usable, it's not useful.
Mm-hmm.
That means that even though the design looks great and really like invested a lot of efforts in it, you can throw it into the trash can because it's not useful. It's
Yeah.
not working. And that would consider it to be a bad design. So the best
Yes.
designers wouldn't be the people that work best in Figma. I would argue also that probably in the next few years we're not going to use Figma anymore.